Hi everyone, I'm here to take you to a step-by-step tutorial to how to create an interactive dashboard just like on the screen. For it, I have taken a sample Superstore dataset consisting of various countries and city-wise categories, sales and profits. In the first element of the dashboard, I have taken here the sales variable. I've just dragged it towards the sheet and it will give me the total number of sales value. So here I'm just editing the title to the total sales so that I could add it to the dashboard. Next, in the same way, I will take the profit variable here and drag it towards the sheet to get the total profit and give the sheet the name of total profit. And apart from this, I already have created many charts in my previous videos that only I will add in this dashboard. So for now, to create a new dashboard, I have taken a new dashboard sheet and I have just added the total sales sheet in this dashboard. And now I have taken it to the floating means that I can resize this sheet as per my requirement. I'm just editing this sheet as per my requirement, resizing it and changing the font size of the sheet name. After this, I'm taking the profit sheet and dragging it to the dashboard and giving it the size the same as the sales sheet. Now, to give some good layout to both the values, total sales and total profits, I am here adding the border and color to both the values here. So for that, go to the layout tab, and in the layout tab you can see here border option. So here you can choose any type of border along with its color. So here I am choosing border with orange color, and also you can change the background color of the sheet. So I have here changed the background color also. Same way I will do for the profit sheet as well. So now let's add another element to our dashboard. So that is, I am taking here another graph which is category wise sales and average sales. Here you can see as I have selected floating option in the first sheet, so now all my sheets will come in that option only, and I can resize all the sheets according to my requirement. So let's just resize this sheet and keep it here, and let's give a border to this sheet as well. So I am giving the same border color to this sheet also. Now let's take another sheet which is region wise sales and profits, which is a multivariate graph. So let's just drag that sheet also in our dashboard and resize this sheet as well. Next, I am taking here a pie chart which will give me percentage wise breakup of all the categories. So with this pie chart also I am adding the border here. According to me, adding borders looks good and attractive in a dashboard, but it's totally your choice whether you want to add it or not. So next, here I am taking one histogram and adding this as well and adjusting it on the dashboard here. Next, let's add the tree map chart here. So in this tree map chart, we can see different division of countries and city wise sales and profit, but you can also take and opt for map visualization instead of tree map. So I have taken here tree map, and now my dashboard seems complete here with all the charts on my dashboard, and pretty good insights we can take from this dashboard. As now, to make this dashboard an interactive one, I will require to add filters here. So for that, I am taking here category filter here. So when I need this filter to work, as whenever I will select one category, for example I will select furniture, and my all graphs will work according it, and it will show information for the furniture category. So for that, click on down arrow and go to apply to worksheets. From here you can select any of the options as per your requirement. I am here selecting the selected worksheets, and I am choosing all the worksheets here present on the dashboard, and then I will click on OK. Apart from this, I am choosing one more filter here of subcategory. So as you can see, all values are visible of subcategory, but I don't want that. So I am choosing the drop down option from the menu and adjusting the size of subcategory as well here. So this is a drop down menu. You can choose any type of style for your filters from this menu. To the filters as well, I am adding the border and background color to these filters so that it can be visible separately in our dashboard. And to the subcategory also, I am applying it to all the worksheets on this dashboard. Now I am taking another filter which is region filter, and this region filter also I am taking in the same way, that applying to all the worksheets of this dashboard. So just adjusting the size of the region filter here. So now our dashboard is ready to go, and as you can see, our filters are working properly. Here from category. I am choosing here only furniture, and all the graphs are showing me information for furniture category only. And for region also you can change it. Now I have taken here central region, so I am getting information for that only. So you can change all these filters, and accordingly you can get your values. You can also change the size of your dashboard, as you can see from the dashboard pane, and we have successfully created a basic interactive dashboard. So that's it for today. Take care and happy learning.